Man, if this is a college course, I'd be fucking killing it. Basically, if you're in high school now, you're probably looking to get into lifting. All your friends are doing it, and plus, you can fucking check. What else could you ask for? But if you're starting out, you probably have no idea what program to choose, since there's a bunch of fucking information on YouTube on which one's the best. Well, I'm here for you, so I got you. So let's go ahead and find out. When I started lifting back in 2018, there was a bunch of programs that were available on YouTube that kind of helped me out, I guess. There was PPL, Starting Strength, Athlete Next. Come on, dude. How come the bench press kills you? Come on. Like the Boston Celtics when they had the big three, or the Miami Heat when they had the big three, I have the big five. So those are gonna be the overhead press, bench press, deadlift, squat, and then pull-ups. Now, why those five? Dude, if you do athletics in high school, man, or in the sport, or if you're just starting out, those five exercises are super awesome since they had awesome bases to your frame, especially if you're working out or if you're in sports. They add to your frame already, and they add incredible size throughout your upper and lower body as well. And what I recommend if you're doing those for your beginning workouts, if you're in high school, is anywhere between 8 to 12 reps for those exercises, as well as 3 sets for each of those. And then from there, combine that with my recommended 20 to 30 minutes of cardio 3 to 4 times a week. Dude, you're fucking golden. You'll be making some awesome gains from there, and you can't ask for anything much if you're in high school, bro. You just want to get big. I recommend if you want a step-by-step detailed plan, go ahead and click the link in the description below so you can get my free old school plan. They'll run by the basics and also give you a step-by-step on what to do each day of the week as well. The link is in the description below, and it's free as well. And it's actually inspired by the old school training methods of the 1970s, which is what this channel is all about. We're bringing back bodybuilding, old school bodybuilding. And also, if you want to find out what are the 5 training methods of the old school bodybuilders, be sure to check out the video here to go ahead and find out more. All right, but go ahead and kill that workout, man. Come on, I've got faith in you, bro. Let's go.